Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Always on Top feature in Microsoft PowerToys, a simple but powerful tool that keeps any window visible above all others. First, make sure PowerToys is running. Open the PowerToys dashboard and click Always on Top from the left panel. Turn it on using the toggle switch if it is not on already. Note that the keyboard shortcut to run this tool is Windows plus Control key plus T. Now open any window, for example, Calculator. Press Windows plus Control plus T. You'll see a blue border around the window. That means it's now pinned on top. Let us open Paint program and pin it also by pressing the keyboard shortcuts. And now both the programs are on the top of other applications. You can unpin it anytime by pressing the same shortcut again. In the settings, you can change the border color, apply the new color, and open the calculator again. Press the shortcut key and this time the new color is applied. You can also change the thickness of the border from setting by moving the slider in the setting. You can even turn off sound notifications. Always on Top is perfect for multitasking, like keeping notes visible while browsing or watching a tutorial while following steps. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more such videos.